Hi friends, welcome to GMK tutorial. In this video, we are going to see about the types of batteries. Generally, we have four types of batteries are there. That is nothing but generally we have four types of batteries are available. So that is nothing but just nickel cadmium batteries, as well as nickel metal hydride batteries, and the lithium batteries, and the lithium polymer batteries. So we will see one by one. So first one is nothing but nickel cadmium batteries. So this nickel cadmium battery is one of the first introduced battery technology. So it is also very popular and mostly selling batteries in the 1910 before that years. Okay. So as well as the 1990s, 90s century, it is one of the most popular batteries also. So this battery is also very mature batteries. So as well as it is also used in the so many devices like portable devices like mobiles, laptops and all those devices. So it is also successful for the several decades. Okay, because of the following advantages or gives this kind of the batteries a good environment for the portable devices because of the following advantages. That is nothing but these devices are very low cost, as well as the charging of the recharging of the device is also very quick, as well as the high discharging rate is also there. So generally, if you want to decide the battery capacity in terms of successes, we have to consider some of the important points. That is nothing but life cycle, energy density is also one more parameter, and the cost of the device, as well as recharging of the device, and high discharging. These are some of the parameters. As well as these batteries have an energy density in the range of 40 to 50 watt-hours per kg. As well as, but it is also having some limitation. That is nothing but while nickel cadmium technology has been losing its ground because of the following drawbacks. That is nothing but low density and toxicity. Generally, the capacity of the nickel cadmium battery is a very low density, low energy density. So that's why the battery life is also not up to the mark. So this is also one of the drawback actually. As well as one more drawback is nothing but toxic. This nickel and cadmium are toxic gases. Therefore, whenever you are disposing the corresponding battery in the environment, obviously it causes some hazard to the environment as well as the people who are surrounding to the corresponding places. As well as the limited energy densities of nickel cadmium batteries affect both the cell size and weight. Okay, generally if your battery is one of the most important parameters that decides the size of the device as well as performance of the device also. That's why that means if the battery size is very small, obviously the device can be fabricated with a very small. So that is one of the attractive features for the customer point of view. They can obviously buy the corresponding devices with a very stipulated time. That means that they frequently purchase because if the size of the device increases, obviously the customer cannot be feel very comfortable to handle the corresponding devices if the device is very bulky in size also. So that's why this is also one of the limitation of the nickel cadmium batteries. Okay, so thank you for watching GMK tutorial guys. Thank you for your support and all those things. So we can, in case of the nickel cadmium batteries, సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే నికెల్ కాడ్మియం బ్యాటరీస్ అని ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేశారు. ఇవి చాలా పాపులర్ అయ్యాయి బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ అడ్వాంటేజ్. లో కాస్ట్ ఉండటం వల్ల, ఫాస్ట్ గా రీఛార్జ్ అవ్వటం, హై డిశ్చార్జింగ్ రేట్ వల్ల ఇది చాలా ఫేమస్ అయింది. మరోవర్ ఏంటంటే ఇది ఎనర్జీ డెన్సిటీస్ వచ్చేసి 40 to 50. సో ఇది కొంచెం లిమిటేషన్. ఎనర్జీ డెన్సిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అంటే మనకి బ్యాటరీ లైఫ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎనర్జీ డెన్సిటీ అనేది తక్కువ ఉండటం వల్ల బ్యాటరీ లైఫ్ అనేది అంత అప్ టు ది మార్క్ లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ. అంత మనం అనుకున్నంత ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ రీచ్ కాలేకపోయాం. But it is also having some disadvantage. That is nothing but low density, and the second one is toxicity. And that means ఈ నికెల్ కాడ్మియం బ్యాటరీస్ ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి బ్యాటరీస్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయో దాన్ని ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ డిస్పోజ్ చేస్తామో అది ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లో రియాక్ట్ అయ్యేసి ఇట్ డిస్పోజెస్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ది releases some toxic gases. That is also very harmful for the environment. As well as it is also because of the low cost, it can be used in so many applications like portable devices, some radios, MP3 players, etc. The limited energy densities are affected both the cell size as well as weight. As well as మనం మొబైల్ పర్చేస్ చేస్తున్నామంటే obviously we are expecting weight తక్కువగా ఉండాలి, చాలా స్మాల్ సైజ్ లో ఉండాలి. So these two parameters can be decided with the battery itself only. So that's why these nickel cadmium batteries are not up to the customer point of view. So obviously the customers have to look for more energy, that means in terms of battery life, in terms of size point. So at that time, the next generation is coming into the picture, that is nothing but nickel metal hydride batteries. Okay, that will be discussed in the next class. Thank you for watching GMK tutorials.